forest, she feeds us. Her shelter protects us. But when the fire blazes, you wanna leave her to burn. Her soil is so fertile, it makes our seeds grow. But when the water rises, you wanna leave her to drown. In the depths of oceans old, her mysteries unfold, where the coral gardens sway and bright fish come to play. Through the desert's burning sun, where life seems to have none, she nurtures every living soul in a cycle vast and whole. In the valleys kissed by light, where shadows take their flight, the mountains rise majestically, guardians of eternity. Under her sky so clear and wide, we walk on paths she did provide. Her breath fills our every sigh, in her embrace we learn to fly.
Under the majestic sky so wide, Jayla speaks as the winds collide. With every gust she shares her might, a guardian of both day and night. Her song in the rustle of the leaves, a gentle lullaby that never grieves. Her essence flows through land and sea, a symphony of eternity. Nature's whisper, nature's call, nature's song, nature's embrace.
Jayla, nature Gaia girl, she loves you like a mother, mother, mother. And the ocean waves, they crash like a father, father, father.
In the moonlit night she dances free, her spirit guides us through the trees. Trees. With each heartbeat she's reminding, feel her love, embrace her spirit binding. In her arms we find our place, her warmth a tender, sweet embrace. Singing softly with the breeze, her love flows through the sea.
Amid the storm, her strength is found. Though in chaos, she remains unbound. Every petal, every stone, echoes of her ancient throne. Through winter's chill and summer's heat, her heart a relentless beat. The earth beneath us, solid and pure. Her legacy forever to endure. From mountain peaks to rolling plains, her essence flows through our veins. In every creature, every cry, Jayla's spirit will never die. Gaia girl, her power echoes through the world, world, world.
With every breath a new beginning, a dance of life eternally spinning.
In the sun's warm glow she whispers light, guiding us through the darkened night.
Her essence in each drop of rain, a balm that eases every pain.
With each rhythm hear her song, in her embrace we all belong.
Through the forests deep and wide, Jayla moves with the river's tide. Leaves rustle with tales of old as the secrets of the earth unfold. From the mountains high to the valleys low, Jayla's heart is where the wild dreams go. With whispers soft and echoes long, her spirit sings nature's song. In every corner of the world she roams, Jayla finds her kin in trees and stones. She paints the skies with hues of dawn, a canvas where life stories are drawn. We follow her path with steps so light, in her shadow stars take flight. Her laughter rings with morning dew, blessed by nature endlessly true.
Jayla, nature's Gaia girl, she loves you like no other world, world, world.
And the ocean waves
Crash with gentle power unfurled, furled, furled.
in the moonlit night she dances free, her spirit guides us effortlessly.
less, less.
embracing earth with tender grace. Jayla's presence fills the space in the rustling leaves and whispers low. She teaches us what we always long to know. Jayla, nature's Gaia queen, her love surpasses all unseen. Sing, sing,
And the ocean waves crash with gentle, mighty gleam, gleam.
Under the moonlit sky, she dances free. Her spirit leads us with serene gleam. Jayla, Gaia's mystic girl. She holds the earth in a swirling world.
As the ocean waves crash with a gentle rolling swirl, swirl, swirl.
Under the moon's soft shimmering light, her spirit soars with ancient might. Among the meadows where wildflowers bloom, Jayla listens to nature's gentle tune. Her hands weave dreams with petals bright, crafting beauty from morning to night.
In every raindrop's joyful descent, Jayla finds a promise heaven sent. Her dance awakens the sleeping seeds, nurturing hope with her gentle. In the moonlight's gentle gleam, she walks where rivers dream. Beneath the starlit shroud, her voice a whisper loud.
With every step she takes, the earth beneath her wakes, bound by a gentle grace. In her the world finds place.
Oh, Jayla, nature's Gaia girl. In every leaf your magic twirls, with skies of blue and fields of green. In you the wonders of the earth are seen. Your heart's a wild and timeless space, a vibrant beauty, nature's embrace. With every tree, with every sound, your spirit in the world is found. Under the sun and winds that swirl. Oh, Jayla, nature's Gaia girl.
Born from ancient dreams to roam, in forest paths you find your home. Your spirit soars both light and free, voice of the earth's pure melody. Through valleys deep and mountains wide, with nature's call you do abide. In every heart your story's told, nature's soul forever bold.
The stars align in night's embrace, guiding your steps with gentle grace. Through whispered woods and fields of gold, your journey never growing old.
As rivers weave their timeless song, with nature's symphony you belong. Each heartbeat echoes ancient lore, in harmony of forever lore.
A gentle force in nature's scheme, embodied in each woodland dream. With every leaf, with every breeze, your essence dances through the trees.
In dawn's first light, she draws near, wrapped in nature's February's cheer. Gives me brims a blanket sky, the crescent tickles, soars and high.
By which your might be like queen eyes, awaken your love with stealing cries. Jayla's catching every dawn, when not even hope that gently drawn.
In the moonlight's gentle gleam, she walks where rivers dream. Beneath the
starlit shroud.
Her voice a whisper. With every step she takes, the earth beneath her wakes, bound by a gentle grace. In her, Jayla, nature's Gaia queen. Her love surpasses all gainsaying. And the ocean waves crashes out in a mighty gleam. Under the moonlit sky, she wants us praise. Her spirit leads us with love and grace. Jayla is mystic girl, tills the world in place and time. As the ocean waves, holy sweetness in the the legendary gold, and this is majestic Agnes Jayla, nature's Gaia. This can be led to waters by lights on a will. On the skies like blurs and glares and plays and laces to the wild impulse. The stars were so even to the nurse that we just trained. As I smile with the big baby in game. Magic up and six us present. I left the collective on the land. Still provoking when the love can. From all this scotch electric race. She just a smooth and feed on dove.
And John 8, Redonius come great. Dre was hard and make your Nate. Her legacy in every leaf and screen. Her body in of mate is cream. As far as a route today, days.